Welcome to Moving to Portugal Daily, episode 127. I'm Mateus Costa. Today, we dive into building a SEF-Ready Residency emergency kit you can assemble in 48 hours with practical steps to help you relocate smarter and live better in Portugal. Imagine this. You arrive at SEF or Finanças and they ask for proof that your income is stable, or they request a lease that you don't have on hand. Your phone is a mess of screenshots, and your email thread is 20 pages long. Panic rises, the officer looks concerned, and suddenly a simple renewal becomes a stressful delay. You're not alone. This happens every week. Today, I'll show you how to stop that panic by turning messy evidence into a compact, credible dossier in 48 hours. You'll leave with a digital folder, a physical binder, and a one-page summary officers actually read. Why does a kit work? First, officers respond to clarity. Presenting a consistent, organized package signals that you're credible, reliable, and prepared. Second, a combined digital and physical approach covers every scenario: email requests, in-person interviews, or uploads to a portal. Third, your dossier isn't just documents. It reflects your daily habits: regular invoicing, consistent client descriptors, neat grooming, and clear communication during interviews. When your paperwork and presentation align, it shortens conversations and reduces follow-up requests. Portugal rewards preparation, and a small, repeatable habit system keeps your kit current. Section 1. The core documents. Start by collecting these essentials: recent bank statements showing inbound income for the last 3 months, formal invoices or receipts tied to bank deposits, contracts or retainer agreements with client contact details, your lease or landlord statement, utility bills in your name where possible, proof of GP registration or NIF-linked healthcare notes, and any pension or investment statements if they apply. For each invoice, include a simple cover note that states the service provided, invoice date, and payment reference. Keep the language precise and consistent across documents. Order matters. Place bank statements immediately before the invoices that match each payment, so an officer can trace the trail in 2 steps. If you're self-employed, include at least 3 distinct client payments rather than many microtransactions. Quality of descriptors matters. Section 2. Verification and presentation. Not everything needs notarization. Prioritize what the officer may legally question. Translate and notarize passports, diplomas, and any legal declarations only if explicitly asked. For other documents, provide certified scans and a one-page cover summary that lists each item with a short verification line. For example, Invoice 2024-045, Design Services, paid by bank transfer, reference 001122. Contact client@example.com. Add consistent descriptors on invoices. Use the same company name and contact format on every invoice. Create cover pages for each section: core documents, lease and utilities, income proof, with a table of contents and page numbers. Keep the one-page summary up front: 2 short paragraphs describing your income model and residency ties, followed by a bullet list of the most relevant documents. Officers appreciate brevity and clarity. A clean summary reduces the need for follow-up. Step 3. Build the folder and binder. For digital, create a top-level folder named Residency Kit-last name-date with 3 subfolders: 1. Core documents, 2. Verifications, 3. Physical binder scans. Use file name conventions: 2024-05-bank statement-bpi-last name.pdf, 2024-05-invoice-design-client-x.pdf, and keep files under 5 megabytes where possible. Export PDFs from bank portals instead of screenshots to preserve metadata. For the physical binder, use a slim A4 binder with printable tabs matching the digital sections. Include the one-page summary at the front, then labeled sleeves for bank statements, invoices, lease, and translations. Add a printed contact sheet with your current address, phone, email, and a short statement of purpose for residency. If you email the dossier before an appointment, attach the one-page summary as the first page in the PDF and give the file a clear name like Residency Kit-summary-last name.pdf. That small professionalism move often changes the tone of the interview in your favor. A quick real Nomad example. I worked with Anna, a freelance developer who hit a snag at renewal. Her bank showed many small transfers labeled only as PayPal or transfer, and her invoices used different client names. SEF asked for proof of consistent income. We reissued 3 invoices with uniform descriptors, obtained client confirmation emails with contact numbers, and added a short cover note tying each invoice to the exact bank transfer reference. Anna also changed one thing you might not expect. She booked a simple barber appointment and dressed neatly for her interview. Officers mentioned that her prepared folder, plus professional presentation, made the conversation concise and calm. The lesson: clarity in documents and credibility in appearance work together.
Immediate 48-hour checklist. What to do now. Number 1. Download the last 3 months of bank statements as PDF files and save them in a folder named Residency_Kit. Number 2. Export or reformat your 3 most recent invoices so they include consistent company/client names, invoice numbers, and payment references. Number 3. Draft the 1-page summary using this template. 2 short paragraphs about your income model and residency ties, followed by a bullet list of 5 key documents with dates. Number 4. Print a slim binder copy, assemble labeled sleeves, and prepare a neat outfit for your appointment. Collared shirt, clean shoes, and a short grooming checklist. Trimmed hair, neat beard or clean shave, and clear eye contact practice. Use this email template to request client confirmation. Hello name. Could you confirm that invoice number 4, service, was paid on date, reference bank reference? A brief reply with your contact number is appreciated. Send that now. Small confirmations multiply credibility.
Tie this to daily habits and income optimization. Make invoicing a daily or weekly habit. Send invoices within 48 hours of delivery. Always include consistent descriptors. Archive the payment confirmation next to the invoice, and add a line in your calendar each month to export bank statements. Keep a short grooming and communication ritual before any official meeting. 10 minutes to tidy appearance, review the 1-page summary, and rehearse 2 clear sentences about your income. Small daily habits create big lifestyle wins and keep your residency kit live and credible over time. If you want plug-and-play templates, I created a downloadable Residency Emergency Kit with folder templates, 1-page summary samples, invoice language, and an email script to request client confirmations. Join the Nomad Life Success mini-module for step-by-step walkthroughs and a 1-to-1 dossier review where we'll check naming consistency, cover pages, and a presentation checklist. Portugal isn't just a destination, it's your optimized new beginning. Enroll to get the templates and schedule a quick review. It's the fastest way to make sure your kit will hold up in any interview. That's your daily Portugal blueprint. Start applying one thing this week. Portugal rewards preparation. Build the foundation before you arrive and keep your kit updated as a daily habit. Small daily habits create big lifestyle wins. Until tomorrow, take one step to organize your residency emergency kit.